Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so have you been wondering how to achieve this design? Now this video is going to show you how to achieve the design. Now this design can be fixed anywhere on your fabric. It can be fixed on the flap, on the pockets, or anywhere at all that you deem fit. Now, as you can see, I fixed this design at the side of my senator outfit. So this is how I chose to place mine. So you can decide to do yours on the flap, at the center, on the pocket edge, however you want to do it. So let me show us how to fold this and get it neatly done this way. All right, so now you first of all cut a 2 inches fabric, right? Or 1.5 inch fabric, depends on your choice you want to have. Then you fold the both ends to the middle. Now you are going to place hemming gum at the middle and hem in this form. So it comes out in this form, right? This is less than 1 inch or a bit close to 1 inch. So now this is the size I chose to have. Remember, the smaller it is, the better the finishing, right? So now the first thing to do is to first turn, leave like 2 inches up here where you will use to finish, do your finishing on your pocket or anywhere it will be fixed. Leave like 2 inches there, then fold angular form this way, right? Fold the first angle. Now this angle must be in a perpendicular form this way, must be in an L-shaped form this way. Then with the help of your iron, you iron nicely, right? You iron nicely, then you bring your cool as well and cool, right? Then the first folding is done. Now the next thing to do is to fold this again to lap at this edge where the other folding started. So you also fold in this form. Then you also iron this way, right? You also iron this way. You also cool. So this is the second fold. Now the next fold is also fold underneath. Fold it toward the under point, the under direction. Then make sure that this edge here is pointed enough. It should be pointed enough. You can just check it this way. Make sure it's pointing V, very sharp V enough. Then after that, you hold in this form and then you iron. So this is what you will do repeatedly until you get to the length of your choice. You fold this one again in this form. You also fold again this way, and then you are going to iron nicely. It's very simple, right? It's very simple. So just follow the video, follow the steps, and you will get it done. Then you also fold under again this way. All the foldings will cover the rough edge, right? So you fold and you iron. Then you also continue folding. You also continue folding. Make sure that the folding is perfect enough. You continue the folding this way, and also make sure it's giving you that looks you wish for. You iron, and then you also fold again, right? So you also fold again this way. So you also fold again this way. So carefully do this. You can get it very well. It's not hard. It's just for you to put your mind and your concentration in it, right? You see how it's coming out already. So you keep on folding until you get to the desired length which you might wish to have. So keep on folding. You can decide to fold as many as you want. If you have a longer place to place it, so you can just fold it to the very best where you can, achieve your desired finishing. So now, when you have folded to the length of your choice, now the next thing to do now is to show you guys how to thread it, how to stitch it, because threading is also very important here, because you don't need to thread where it will be visible. Only the 2 inches at the beginning might be visible, so you can just decide to thread it in a way that it will not be visible at all, right? So this is how to fold this. So I believe this video must have explained to you how we can achieve this stuff very well. Look at how fine it is, right? So let's continue the folding for us to see the longer view of this. Let's continue the folding for us to see the longer view of this. Right? So you keep on folding this until you get to your point. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video, comment, and also share. Invite your friends to subscribe to my channel for them to learn one of the simplest ways on how to make nail clothes. So you keep on folding, right? You keep on folding. See how simple it is, because I have taken my time to iron them and place my cooler on top of it this way. So you fold to any length you want, right? Fold to any length you want. Fold to any length of your choice. Fold to any length of your choice, right? Fold to any length of your choice. So once you are done with the last part of the folding, I will now show you guys how to thread it. I will just explain to you how to thread it. Then you can now go to the machine and then thread. It's better to do it here this way before you go to your machine to thread, because it will give you a neater finishing here. So we have achieved our folding. Look at how fine it is. So now, for us to thread this, now the simplest thing to do here is to place this wherever you want it to be. Wherever you decide this to be. If you want it to be on the flap of your senator outfit, fine. If you want it to be on any position of your outfit, fine, right? So however you want to place it, it's still very much acceptable, right? So if you still want to mix the colors this way, you can still decide to mix colors and place them in this format, right? So now, because I have already done this, I will just decide to place it anywhere. So how you thread it is, let's assume that I am placing this here as well. Let's assume that I am placing this here as well. Then the threading, I will have to thread the beginning first on the surface. I will thread here on both ends. I will thread from here to this point, also thread from here to this point. Then I will now thread at the middle. I will make sure that my threading is entering at the midpoint where the folding is. These foldings will help me hide the midpoints. Then once I am done threading that, then I will also fold here this way and then thread here as well. So that is how you thread. You also fold the edge here and also thread. So this is how you place your design. You can decide to place this on the pocket, on the flap, on the body of the clothes, however you want to do it. It's solely your choice, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and comment.